Welcome to day 29 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's challenge, we're going to write a Python program to calculate the sum of numbers in a list. This is a fundamental task in programming, and we'll walk you through step by step. Now, let's dive into the problem. We'll take a list of numbers as input and output, the sum of those numbers. Input. The first line of input will contain space-separated integers, denoting the elements of the list. Output. The output should be a single line containing the sum of the integers in the given list. Sample input and output are given for your reference. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our coding journey. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and share it with your friends who are also learning Python. If you have any questions or suggestions for future challenges, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for tomorrow's challenge.